Yo, what's up, everybody? Hey, I'm just giving y'all a quick update on how things are going with the project with this old school classic Camaro. I just finished a whole lot of different parts of this project, and basically, I just finished my fuel system, got the fuel regulator on there, got my last hose to hook up once I drop the motor, and the motor and trans will be going in sometime later on this afternoon. I had to put a new motor mount in here too. That wasn't as bad as some people say it is. It only took me maybe 20 minutes or something like that. I got a new air conditioning system for the engine, the car. Uh, Cut my 4-inch hole for my intake. I'm just trying to locate a good place for my ECM, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. So that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the day, basically. Before I put the motor in, I'll be locating a good, safe, not so hot spot for that, and the wiring. And oh, I also got my transmission wiring already ran for my quick connect. And let's see what else we got going on. Let me get over to the other side real quick. Oh, and I was just test fitting my rims, my custom paint job I had done on these wheels. I think it's gonna look real nice when I put the whole car together. I went with rose gold and cocaine white, and I got the white spike lugs, so it's really going down. And this car should be running in about another 2 or 3 days. So y'all look out for that video. It should be coming up next. I'll give y'all another update soon. I'll holler back. You heard?